Hello, in this video, we are going to learn how to produce consonant sounds in English. Let's learn and practice.
B and B are bilabial sounds. It is made by closing completely both lips and then release the air explosively. B is voiceless and B is voiced. The examples are bark, park. D and D are alveolar sounds. The sound is produced by approaching the tongue blade against the alveolar ridge. D is voiceless and D is voiced. The examples are tree, dream. G and G are velar sounds. The closure is made by the back of the tongue against the soft palate. G is unvoiced and G is voiced. The examples are gate, Kate. F and V are labiodental sounds. The lower lip makes a slight contact with the upper lip. F is unvoiced and V is voiced. The examples are fan, van. F and V are labiodental sounds. The lower lip makes a slight contact with the upper lip. F is unvoiced and V is voiced. The examples are fan, van. Is a glottal sound. To produce this sound, the air is passed from the lungs through the open glottis, causing friction. H is unvoiced. W and Y are semi-vowels. To produce W, the tongue is in the position of back vowel. W is voiced. Y is positioned at the closed front vowel E. Y is voiced. The examples are house, yard, word. J and J are palato-alveolar sounds. The tongue tip blade are close to the alveolar ridge and the side teeth. J is unvoiced and J is voiced. The examples are jeep, jeep. Sh and J are palato-alveolar sounds. The tongue blade make light contact with the alveolar ridge. Sh is unvoiced and Sh is voiced. The examples are vision, vision. The and the are dental sounds. The tongue tip make light contact with the back of the top front teeth. The is unvoiced and the is voiced. The examples are think, brother. Finally, we came to nasal sounds. And are nasal sounds. Is bilabial. The total closure is made by both lips. N is alveolar. The tongue blade is close against the alveolar ridge, and is a velar sounds. The back of the tongue close against the soft palate. The examples are moon, sun, sing.